Hi, brother. Good morning.
Yeah, very good morning, brothers. Have a
Yeah.
blessed Diwali.
Yeah. Okay. Happy Diwali, brother. You and your family. So thank you very much
Yeah,
for yeah, giving me. So, brother, how are you?
yeah, I'm great. I'm joyful today.
Oh, that's
I'm
great.
joyful today, and I came here, bank of river. You can see me here.
Wow, what beautiful place. I think this is river. Okay, river. Okay, that's great.
Yeah,
So, brother,
it's a river.
what's your name? What's your name?
Yeah, this is Chote from Uttar Pradesh, UP,
Okay. Okay,
and my
that's good.
district name is Sonbhadra.
Okay.
And right now I'm students here, and I'm doing graduation. It's my
Mm-hmm.
second year with
Mm-hmm.
the BS sides.
Okay,
Bachelor
B.
of Arts.
Okay,
Bachelor of
Bachelor of Arts.
Arts.
Okay,
Yeah,
that's great. So, brother, could
yeah,
you tell me like why you are learning a English language? What is the reason for English?
yeah. My aim, brother, I want to become an English teacher in my life, and that's why I want to first my improve my English skills. After that, and I first of all, I would like to say you, I want to serve my country. Okay, I want to serve my country. I belong to rural areas. There is no one good facilities like a hospital, like a college, uh, like that. And that's why I want to first make my building, and after that I will serve the students and about, you can say, my country. Yeah, it's
Yeah,
my
that's
purpose.
great thing. This is great thing, brother, for you. Like, and your future plan is good. Okay, don't worry. If you
Yeah,
decide
yeah.
like I want to help a people like in my village, like I will
Mhm.
create something for hospitals, schools, and helping a student people. So this is great idea, brother. Seriously.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, really, really, really.
Yeah. So, brother, could you tell me like how do you practice a English language?
Just bro, when I started to uh, connect the peoples, and when I started to learning English, at that time I had no phones. I had no phones.
Okay.
I had just geophones. You can say
Mhm.
just geophones given by Mukesh Ambani. And after that, I just watch videos, and many videos over there. I find and great teachers I found, and they are suggesting me just you do practice like this after. And I have seen a lots of uh, like YouTube videos, their Camly videos, and
Okay.
different people, different things. They say just I watch video. After that, I practice, and right now I can speak English and I can understand English. Just I apply that things, and right now I have a mobiles, Android mobiles, and right now I'm able to talk with the another person on my mobiles.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's great thing.
After
Yeah.
yeah, yeah.
This is great thing, brother.
It is,
Seriously, you are improving. You are literally improving a English language.
yeah,
Okay.
I'm
And
trying my best. I'm trying my best.
yeah, that's great thing. Just keep going and do hard work, brother. Definitely you will achieve your goal. You will achieve your aim. Okay. So always
Yeah.
concentrate, always focus a language. If you want to improve, then focus. Okay.
Yeah, yeah,
Tell-
definitely, definitely. I have
Yeah.
a jail, something to do. I have a
Okay.
really great jail.
Okay. Okay.
And you can see me, brother, I'm right now here just for conversations. I
Okay.
came here, often come here, and I want to make conversation. It's not my, you can say it's my river, it's my school.
Yeah,
There
that's
I
great. Yes,
achieve.
even I also prefer to silent place. Like whenever I visit a silent place, I feel too
Yeah,
happy. I try to do something for like I speak with more myself because in this place, silent place, no anyone
yeah,
disturb. And
yeah. No one,
this is
anyone
like
make me disturbed.
yeah, we can say mind controlling. We can say feel to it's nicely and calmly over there. Always prefer to silent place. I love it. Yeah.
Yeah, I love it also. I love it,
Okay. So,
and I
brother,
enjoy.
yeah. So, what
Yeah,
about your
go ahead.
family background? Like about your father, about your mother? Like,
Yeah, I belong to rural areas, and my all family members are farmer family. We belong to a farmer family, and we just work at our farm.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay. So, brother, like after college, after BA, how will you fulfill your career?
I will after college. I will do for B.Ed for
BA.
teacher for teacher
Okay,
lines,
for teaching
and
line.
yeah, teaching
You want
lines.
to become a literature. Okay, that's great, brother.
Yeah, yeah,
Then
it's
after
my
that, like if you become a teacher for people like who's learning English language and how to develop
yeah.
a rural and like like helping innocent people who's doing a struggling
Yeah,
because
yeah,
I heard
definitely,
about
definitely.
yeah I heard
What happened,
about
brother?
yeah
What happened here? I belong to rural areas, and rural areas peoples they don't have any ideas to how to get success in our life, and no one here who can suggest us do this thing and do thing. In the initial stage when I was in 8th class, I don't have any idea what is science and what is you can say art. And then I thought we should prefer a science side because science side is a is strong. It is
yes.
just called.
Yeah,
It's
it's like
just
do something in science stream. For example, if you take a science stream, you will go with like doctor, farmer. I mean, pharmaceutical, medical, engineer, like the
yeah,
many way. Yeah.
yeah, many way, many way.
Yes.
But there is more confusion. The people couldn't understand. Boys
Mm,
couldn't understand it. What should I
yes.
do? And you have a jail something to do, and you want to achieve, and you want to do something in science career. So perfectly, you choose that thing. And if you and you are not interested in science, and you take just art, and both language both way is perfect. I'm not saying its route is not comfortable and you can't success in this way. You can
Mhm.
success. Yeah,
Okay. See, brother, what happened in rural area? Like most of people not educated, so that's why region they made a mistake. Like about they wanted to like go with doctor, they wanted to become an engineer, they wanted to like like architecture, whatever. But they made a
yeah,
mistake. They like a wrong way, like commerce, arts, and science, like that. Okay, so no
yeah,
anyone over their guideline just choose a perfect way. No anyone say that like if you want to become a doctor, then choose a science. So this
yeah,
is
yeah,
very big mistake, brother. This is we make a big mistake in rural areas, especially.
yeah, yeah,
So we
definitely,
have
definitely,
to
I support.
yeah. And for example, if you teacher, then definitely you will guideline a lots of people like what you want to become in your life. Then someone say that I want to become a teacher. Then you can suggest like okay, just go to take a BA and common site like that. Okay, whatever. So because
Yeah,
teacher
whatever you like.
always guide a good way, teacher is very important to our life because they are
Yeah,
they are teaching a good way. They are like fulfill a career for a student, for a people. So
yeah,
that's why
yeah,
it's called to teacher is great for us.
yeah, definitely, definitely, teacher is great for us, and
Yeah,
teacher can do everything like whatever they want. They
yeah.
can want they will want you make a good student, they will you make good students, and they will you depend on teacher to
Yes,
teacher.
yeah, right, brother.
And that's why
So
I choose I would like to become a English teacher, and any kind of teacher, but mostly English teacher.
yeah, that's great. It's great thing, brother. If you learn a English
Yeah,
language, definitely in your village, like in your like area and environment, people will commenting. People will compliment you like he have a great experience, he have a great talent, and he will become a teacher. People will
yeah,
learn from you. If you learn a English language, people try to contact with you. People say that like sir, please teach me how to learn an English language. So it's very
Yeah, yeah.
important, brother.
Yeah,
We.
it's very important. And
Yeah.
in this rural areas, anyone peoples who will speak English, they and come here, then people are surprised. You know what a
Yeah.
language it is. He is speaking. It's a great language, and he has a definitely he has a great knowledge, and he
Yeah,
is more comfortable.
yes, yes. Obviously, like before yet, people like village people, they didn't understand like about English language because over there no anyone educated more one. Okay, no
Yeah,
anyone
that's
educated.
why. That's why.
That's why it's a very big reason to develop like a city and a village, we can say it's very
Yeah,
difficult.
yeah,
But you if you take a good education, good knowledge, good experience, then you can make your village like beautiful. You can teach like just studies very important to a person, a student, a children. It's very
yeah,
important. You can teach. Okay,
yeah.
so yeah, so just think about and do hard work, brother. Do practice every day, every time, and definitely within a short period you will learn an English language. Okay, because you
Yeah,
are passionate
definitely.
about.
I will try my best. I have
Yeah,
a
you are
passion,
passionate
so
about. Yeah,
I'm the best I can do.
yeah, brother, you can do it.
Really.
Seriously.
Yeah,
Okay, and
definitely.
but your English is perfectly, brother. See, keep going and do something
Yeah, I
about
don't
like.
have any idea. I don't have
Okay.
any idea. Whenever I speak English, then I don't think my English is what is my English. I don't care about, I don't give a toss to my speaking English. Okay.
Yeah, this is
I just,
great. Brother. This is great thing because you don't know about your mistake.
yeah, yeah.
You didn't care about your mistake. This is a big big point. Some people
Yeah,
think
it's a big point.
yeah, some people think about like if I do a mistake, people will judge me. People will like commit me like that. So you
Yeah,
don't
definitely,
care. So this
definitely.
is good way. Yeah, this is perfectly. Definitely you will learn an English language, brother. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, really, really. And that's why I'm practice hard work, and I talk any through the app,
Uh-huh.
and I learn something.
Yeah, that's great thing, brother. Keep going and always practice more. Always try to read a something, listen to
Yeah,
podcast, uh, watch a
I
YouTube
try.
video.
I try everything like a video and uh, reading the books,
Uh-huh.
and any kind of whatever I want, whatever I prefer, I
Uh-huh.
do. Just
That's great thing. I think you are going to right way. Okay, and definitely
yeah,
within a short, if you improve, if you do something, if you do continue to like reading, listening, watching, and speaking within a short period, you will master your language. Okay.
yeah. When I started by learning English, I think since February, I started learning English. When
Yeah, you
my
started your
mm,
like Fab month. Okay, that's great.
yeah,
Okay.
yeah. And when my everything is stopped, my exams, then I thought we have a great chance. We have a great chance to learning English. Then I
Yes,
start, and right now
absolutely.
I'm comfortable and I can understand whatever anyone will speak. Yeah, and little bit
That's
I
great,
can
brother.
explain something.
In lockdown period, many people try to learn the English language. Some not English, especially something new, because that
Yeah, yeah,
moment
something new,
we don't
something
have.
new.
Yeah, it's very
Yeah,
important.
yeah, they
Okay.
have a great opportunity. They have a great opportunity to do something new.
Yeah, brother. So, brother,
That's why.
like just practice more and do hard work, okay? And keep touch with me, and definitely you will become a master in your language, okay? And all the best to your
Yeah, yeah,
future plan.
definitely.
All the best for become a teacher. Just get a good mark, good percentage, and keep going. Do hard work and practice more. Okay.
Yeah,
So,
really, really, you will be definitely a great, and you are doing great job, bro.
yes, thank you very
Uh,
much,
uh,
brother. Thank you very much for appreciate me, and see you soon. We will meet again. Bye bye
yeah,
and happy
let's have
Diwali.
a blast Diwali. Have a blast
Right.
Diwali. Enjoy.
Yeah,
Bye
yeah, you
bye,
too, brother.
bro. Yeah, great.